Learn how to use ChatGPT, Gemini, and other AI tools. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login, and Delete. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, let's simply go to the chat.openai.com. You can use it for writing, coding help, study aid, project planning, idea generation, and many more. So simply let's begin with planning. So here I am inside the ChatGPT. Make sure that you are logged into your ChatGPT account as well. You need to have an account. So once you're inside it, simply tap on the prompt option available there and type down the planning. Now all you have to do is simply type down like create a plan for my weekend, or create a week plan for my studies, or create a 3-day travel plan for any country you are planning to visit. You can simply give it a prompt. So here I'm typing down that create a plan for a week. Now ChatGPT will ask me to be more specific about my what kind of planning do I want? Studies, or do I want fun activity, or do I want some other things to be included in my week or not? So make sure that you are specific about it. So if you be specific about it, ChatGPT will give you as you have asked for it. So here I'm typing down if I need anything or not. So I'll simply type down no, because I don't need anything else. I have just written down that make sure to include my exams on Tuesday and Friday. So here it will give you a week plan for your studies or for what you need to do. If you are more specific about the studies or the course, obviously it will give more specific version of answer as well. So make sure that your writing is more specific for ChatGPT to understand. So now let's simply navigate to the coding. Now all you have to do is let's simply begin with what does the Python function do for the basic explanation. So ChatGPT will give you all the explanation you needed or you asked for. So here as you can see, it gave the answer of all the Python functions. So now let's simply type down that give me the answers of this question, or simply type down any code you want answer of. So here I'm asking the coding question from the ChatGPT itself. So it will give me the question. Now if you want solution for it, you can simply type down give me answer as well. Or else if you have already the question for Python, Java, or any other coding related software, then all you have to do is copy and paste that question on the ChatGPT typing box and simply ask ChatGPT to give you the answer of it. And ChatGPT will definitely give you all the explanations and answer of that question. So here let's simply search for the Java question in internet. So once you search for the Java question, let's simply go to any Java question website. Now all you have to do is copy and paste that Java question. So here it is more likely of theory questions. So let's simply navigate to other website for practical questions. So okay, so here you can find some practical questions available for Java. Let's simply tap on any practical questions. So at first you can see there is arithmetic question available. Now all you have to do is copy that question and go and paste it on the ChatGPT typing box and simply ask for the answer in Java, and ChatGPT will provide you the answer. Now all you have to do is copy this answer and paste it on any software you are running Java for. So this is easy. Now let's navigate to the Gemini AI. So Gemini AI is simply used for research, planning, and real-time Google integrated responses. So all you have to do is make sure you go to the new tab and tap on the gemini.com. Now let's simply ask Gemini for the planning as well. Use for calendar integration if enabled. What's on my schedule this Friday, or simply plan weekend. You can simply, and Gemini will give you some more specific details. Now all you have to do is add more specific details, such as what do you want to do in this weekend. You want to hang out, or you want to be alone, or you want to spend some quality time with your family. So all you have to do is make sure to enter all the specific details and simply tap enter and send it to the Gemini. and Gemini will send you a whole weekend planning. You can also ask for it to give timing as well. Just make sure that you enter the correct prompt in order to get the correct answers. So once you do so, mainly Gemini is also famous for image related answers. So let's simply for the coding, let's search for the questions such as let's go to the new tab and tap on the coding questions, for example. So here I tap on the new tab and let's simply search for code questions. But if you already have an images available, then that's good for it. I do not have any, so I'm going for the Google images. So here let's simply tap on this question image. So here as you can see, this is Fibonacci question. Now let's take a screenshot or simply save it on a desktop, but I'm here taking the screenshot for easy access. Now let's go to the Gemini and drag and drop that photo to the Gemini typing prompt. Now here all you have to do is give me the answer of this question. Now Gemini will read the image and give you the exact answer of this question. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.